Hi everyone. I have been running a home server for a while. It is Linux running on a spare box. I have file share and some other services running on it, and it has a static IP address. I also have several Windows clients. I'm pretty satisfied with it, except that every time I need to access the server, I need to type in the IP address. For example, this is how I access the file share. And you'll see it's not that attractive. I was going to set up a DNS server to resolve home.local, for example, to the IP address. But it would be boring. Then I'm thinking, since I'm setting up the DNS server anyway, I'll just make it fun by hijacking a known domain name, like google.com, to a web page that is hosted by myself. I have never set up a DNS server before, and I don't know if I'm going to pull it off or not, but I'll record every step on the way and share the experience with you. To start the experiment, I've created a HTML page and put it in www root on the server. Now I'm going to host it. It will be used as a result when www.google.com is inputted in the browser. As you can see, the page is hosted on port 8080. Let's try access it from a Windows client. Whoops. Why is it not going through? Oh, port 8080. Still not coming. Let's go back to the server to see if it works there. It seems it's running correctly on the server. Let's see. From the server, it can be accessed successfully, but not from the Windows client. That means something in the middle. Maybe it's the firewall. Let me pull up the firewall settings. Aha, port 8080 isn't allowed. Let's add a quick rule to allow it. Check, check. Come back to the client. Works, great. We'll see it in browser as well. That's how will it look like. Just a quick recap. We set up a quick web server to host a static page today. We were blocked at a time by the firewall on port of 8080. That's our first blocker. Once we fix the firewall, we can browse the page from clients. I'm still using the IP address to access the website now. In the next video, I'll try to set up DNS server to resolve the name of google.com, return the IP of my web server. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment below. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Take care. I'll see you next time.